Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting live connections. Enable airplane mode from Control Center to drop cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth immediately. Once done, open settings so you can confirm which services are still signed in under your Apple ID, Messages, and FaceTime. Make sure you have the device passcode available because some changes request authentication. Don't waste time toggling single radios first. Airplane mode is the fastest first step to make the iPhone unreachable while you prepare the deeper changes. Next, remove the things that let people reach you even without cell service. You should sign out of iCloud or specifically disable Find My iPhone so location sharing stops. Authenticate when prompted. Then turn off iMessage and FaceTime to stop text and call reachability through Apple services. Also forget saved Wi-Fi networks and disable Bluetooth in settings. These can let apps or devices find you. These steps make the phone invisible to accounts and local radios that could otherwise relay your presence. To finish, reboot the iPhone while airplane mode remains enabled so it won't auto-reconnect. After the restart, go through settings to confirm your Apple ID services are signed out and Messages and FaceTime are disabled. Verify Wi-Fi and Bluetooth show off. If you need one more layer, remove the SIM card or perform a reset network settings to clear saved radios. If something still makes the device reachable, try removing the Apple ID from the device completely as a troubleshooting step and repeat verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.